back to my channel, and if you new, welcome. If you want to see how I got this bomb makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm just starting off by using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige and a flat top concealer brush to prime my eyes. These are the options of the palettes that I was going to use because I didn't know what type of look I was going to do. So the Zulu palette, the Jacqueline Hill palette, and the Masquerade palette. So I ended up starting off with the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and started off using that purple shade and just blend that on my eyelid. Okay, so a quick disclaimer. Please don't mind any of my ugly face expressions, you guys. I was trying to make sure I was at a good angle. I've only done one other makeup video, but it's private on my page now because that was a long time ago. So I gotta get used to these angles and seeing how I want to record.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, so now I'm going in with the pink shade from the palette, and I'm just using it just to make the purple look a little less harsh and to just give it some more color. And I'm losing shit as always. Okay, so I got my brush, so I'm just going back in with the purple to blend it in with the pink. And after that, I'm just gonna cut the crease. Okay, so I'm just using the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes with, and I'm just gonna get ready to cut the crease. So I didn't do this perfectly, y'all. It could have came out a little bit better, but it was good enough. Okay, so after you cut the crease, you want to just go back in with whatever last shade you use just to blend it out so it won't look so harsh and unclean. Okay, so now we're moving on to the Jacqueline Hill palette. These were the only two palettes I used, and I used this gold shade to put it in the center of my eye, and then I use a blue shade from the palette to put it on my inner and outer corner, which you're gonna see in a minute. Okay, so once again, I'm just taking that purple and just blending it out. That's the key to your makeup. You want to make sure everything is blended. So I went ahead and did my other eye off camera and I put mascara on. I haven't did my eyeliner or anything yet. And right here, I'm just using my Fenty Beauty primer to prime my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte and poreless formula, and my shade is 355 Coconut. And then I'm just going to spray my beauty blender so it can be damp, and that's it. Okay, so now I'm about to conceal my under eyes and my chin and my nose. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 30, which is Cafe. Okay, y'all, so after I put my concealer on, I always let it sit on my face for a minute. And I think I had went off camera and put some contour powder on from Black Radiance, but nothing major. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Ben Nye Banana powder and I'm gonna set my chin and my under eyes. I think I went over my nose a little bit, but normally I don't because it be kind of dry, so I just leave it alone. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I went off camera and slaughtered my eyeliner. It looked a hot mess, and then you could see my freaking eyeshadow was getting on the purple. It was just a mess. But I'm using a Tarte blush. I don't know the color, y'all. I got it out of my Ipsy subscription bag. I don't even get that anymore, but yeah, that's where it came from. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna use my Luna Cosmetics highlighter, y'all. I really love this highlighter. I put a little too much though, but I did blend it out at the end. But as you can see, I went off camera and I put my lashes on, and I put on my inner corner highlight. Y'all, I slaughtered my lashes too. I'm talking about just a hot mess. I'm still learning how to put them on, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. If you like how the look came out, give me a like, comment, and subscribe.